Good morning and happy weekend from beautiful Drake Bay. I thought I would let you in on one of my semi-daily activities, I guess, that I do. I absolutely love fresh coconuts. I have not gotten the exact skills yet to be able to grab them and husk them. I'm working on that, but in the meantime, I get them like this and I put them in the fridge. And they are such a not only tasty but such a great source of nutrition as well, hydration, and crafts as well. So how do I open this? Usually you get it and it's kind of closed, obviously. And how would I open it at home? So I'm sure there's better ways, but these are my tips. Usually there are three eyes, or always three eyes, and one is softer than the other. So you want to find the one that is softer than the other. I have my handy dandy screwdriver that is now a pick, and I can just kind of feel. Oop, there we go. That's the softest one. And then you can kind of swirl it around. That went through really easy. I have my hammer handy in case it didn't. And then you also want to make, so you want to make that bigger. This way as well. And then I'm going to put an air hole in it. So you can actually drink out of it. So we'll pick another one of the holes. The other two are usually pretty hard, so it pays to have a hammer. And there we go. Now I have two holes and I should be able to drink this. So delicious. Oh my god. You can't beat fresh coconut unless of course we add a little bit of rum. Stay tuned. So it didn't take me long to drink this. It's absolutely delicious. This one was really full, but now it is time. A lot of people like throw them away or leave them for the animals, but almost the best part, or equally the best part, is the flesh inside, the pure coconut. And usually it will peel right away, right from the outer skin, as long as you can crack this baby open. So this is what we're going to do. Still doesn't always go well. So we just have to be safety conscious. So we want to pick one of the holes. We already have two. And we basically want to try to weaken the shell. So I have my handy dandy hammer. You want to stab yourself. See if we can actually hammer it itself. Nope, not yet. See how long this takes. Patience is definitely needed. Sometimes it cracks right in half. This is not one of those times. have noticed that coconuts that give you more water don't have as thick a skin, and the opposite way around. So, a lot of these pieces have fallen in. So, we've gotten this one open. It's not pretty, but it is enough to eat the inside pulp. I have a spoon, and we just take the inside edge and you just scoop it off. That was worth the effort. And you just basically go around and you eat it all, and it's amazing. And then you can actually use this for your plants. I eat all the little pieces. It's, oh my god, it's amazing. It does not taste like the coconut that you would get in North America, the shredded coconut, like anything like that. It is lighter. It's so much more flavorful, but not as sharp as coconut up there that's dried, and it's so good for you. It hydrates you, it's good for your body. I don't remember which minerals and vitamins it has in there, but it is good for you in the coconut water, and it is worth even the 500 colones that they charge you at the store, which is like $1, a little bit more for Canadians. So that is the complete coconut story. You can make also lots of other things if you don't choose to eat them, but I find the best thing is to just eat it natural, whole, and cool. Actually, it's one of the few things that I actually really love in the fridge here. So cheers, everyone.